So we're going to finish that today. Loki, come on. But we're going to Gridlife next weekend and the E92 is not ready. So Barry got the boat. Sparky's over here to give us a hand. Hell yeah. E92's on the left. New Winters has turned up from Winters. So we're going to get this thing ready and hopefully get rid of the winter prep on it. Give it some love. Get this Winters in so I can get this done. So we've got that thing unboxed. There's a couple of differences between this one and the last one we had in it. One of the differences is where the breather goes. This one's actually a -6 ORB fitting. The other one was an MPT up here somewhere. This diff has this bigger brace through here, and it's actually the 6-bolt rear cover. So she's pretty sweet. The castings look a little bit different, so pretty stoked on this diff. We're going to one thing I did do, there's some light here. So when I built this car originally, I was trying to make everything like a show car pretty much. So I did this hole here that's a big mess now. It was actually a super nice hole originally, and the diff breather just poked through the hole, and when we built it you could get to it easily, but the diff has been in and out of this car quite a few times now, and we've either forgotten to disconnect it or it's really tight to get to, so you got to drop the diff down. So we're going to make a little revision this time. We'll head over to my crimper and we'll make this revision. We're going to we're going to fit this diff up real quick, sit in the hole, might see how it fits, but we're going to put this 90 and then probably go around over to our fitting, so that when if we have to pull the diff out again, we can literally get access to this. There's plenty of length in that hose, pull it off and make our life super easy. So let's get this thing sitting in there and see how it all fits. So as you just watched us there, the new diff, she's in, baby. Everything bolted up. We used the old bash plate. I decided to make a little, don't really know what I'm doing, but a little modification to it here. So normally we bolted the 3 bolts. We decided to leave this factory housing bolt in here and just modify the bash plate. She was pretty bent up, but we straightened it out. Sparky gave it a bit of a sand up and got some fresh black paint on it. We've been through, as you can see here, nut and bolt the whole rear end, drive shaft, and the big old beast of a gearbox. She's still there. Nut and bolted all the front end here, as you can see all those marks. So we're going to drop this thing back down on the ground, get some engine oil in there and fire it up, maybe run it through some gears, make sure that diff doesn't make any weird noises, and that part of it's good to go. We got some cleaning, bash bar to fix, and mount the rear bumper, and we're going pretty good. Well, we managed to get it all done. We checked it over, bolt check, installed the new diff. As you've seen there, I ran it up, made sure there's no weird noises, got some temp into everything, give it a quick wash, and we're in the trailer. Yeah, baby. So she's all loaded up, and we'll ready to go to Gridlife. Gridlife next weekend. This thing's loaded up. We'll go fit a couple of tyres and ready to drift, baby.